my channel. I am File, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this cut crease eye look using the Nirvana palette by Anastasia, and I also used a little bit of the Disney Villains collaboration with ColourPop palette because it didn't have the blacks in the Norvina palette. My first thoughts on the Norvina palette is that I'm not in love with it, like Prism palette of Anastasia. But I mean, the colors are pretty, it's very pastel-y, so you could wear it during the day. I mean, the eye look that I've created, I think I could wear it during the day. I mean, if you want to not wear the eyeliner, you could just totally skip it. But anyway, you can create this look using whatever you have in your makeup collection. Just switch the colors out. And also, purple looks really pretty when you have like brown eyes. It just pops even more. So without further ado, let's get into the video and I can show you guys how I created this look. I will not call this super easy because cut creases aren't that easy unless you like keep practicing and get the hang of it. I'm not a person who just does cut creases on a regular basis. Just cut creases, put everything together. Like, it's just like my eye look is so well put together. It looks clean, all the shadows are blended, and it's just like so pretty. Like, I just love the way it has come out. Yeah, before getting into the video, guys, just hit the subscribe button that's right down somewhere here, and the bell notification along with it, so every time I upload a video you guys are notified. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna prime my eyes using the e.l.f. eyelid primer. So I don't know, I'm using it for the first time. I don't know if I'll like it or not, so we'll find out. Then I am just taking my e.l.f. Color correcting or tone correcting setting powder and just like putting that all over and setting my eyelid. So in a fluffy brush, I'm taking the Incense, which is brown, and I'm just gonna put it in my crease and just work that color. Because if you take a lot of color, blending would be a mess. So just take a little bit of color and like keep adding more. Okay, going in again, concentrating it right in the outer corner and just pushing it in, like dragging it in. I was taking this volatile, sorry, I forgot to show you guys. It's a deeper brown, and just putting it under my crease, just like that. Circle and in until you see like a seamless crease. Now I'm gonna take Passion, putting that over my eyelid. Like, I'm not putting it in my crease. In my outer corners, I'm kind of just like pushing it inward like this, like one single stroke, like inside. So just the outer edges are like a little defined than my inner corners. Now that I'm happy with how my eyes look, I'm going to take this Tarte Shape Tape. You can take just any concealer you have. I just happen to have this around. Take this like a good amount on the back of my hand. So now you want to take like a flat brush. I think this is a concealer brush, but you can also take your lip brush and just dip it in that. Take a good amount, and this is a very tricky part. So you're gonna start by coloring your eyelid, keeping close to your lashes. And then whatever the leftover is, just like carve it out in a V, because that area is going to get covered anyway once you do your eyes. I am taking this Dreamer. It's this like white silver shade, like stamping it in 1/3 of my inner corner. Like 1/3 of, not my inner corner, 1/3 of my eye. Okay, and once you come here, just stop. Whatever little crazy lines you see over here, because I can see it's like not perfect, don't worry about it. You won't even see it because everything just turns black over there. So all you need to have is like a clean cut crease right here. I'm taking the Celestial, which is this purple like foiled, and just stamping that in the middle of my eye. Like while you're doing that, make sure you don't come too close because you want that clean white edge, but you can like brush it off to that side. Now I'm taking this Drama, which is a darker, deeper purple, and just going in my outer corner. You see all like the line that we were worried about wasn't straight, is all gone because of the deeper purple. And sort of just blend very, very lightly. Going back with that, stamping it in. Now for liner, I'm using the Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining. Now go into this Misguided palette from ColourPop. So I'm taking this eeny meeny tiny brush, going into the 101, which is just a plain simple black shade, and sort of just going over my liner. Do smudge it out a little because it's just looking too harsh. Taking a smaller brush and just blending these two. Going into that Love, which is a pink, and just like putting a little extra pink in the outer corners right up here. Okay, both the sides are pink. We are finally done with the top lid of our eye. Let's move on to the face, quickly prime them. I have already moisturized using the Innisfree. I am using the My Glam. For foundation, you guys know what I've been loving is the Infallible, so let's just take 3 pumps, only because I'm going to be using this brand new Real Technique beauty blender. Anyways, so bounce. Let's use a little bit of highlighting, like 1 dot. Now that I am done looking like a ghost, we can move on with our lives. Taking the e.l.f. Light Matte Bronzer. This has a lot of kickback though, but I just love the shades. And just, you want to do everything towards your hairline. I also like a lot of color to my skin, so you guys will instantly see the difference between like this side and this side. It's so much more defined. And now you contour a little bit of your jawline. So basically you're drawing like a 3 on your face. This is like a perfect match for my face, like this bronzer. Oh my god, it's a cool tone bronzer, by the way. That's why probably it looks this good. For blush, I'm using this palette. It's from Macy's actually. Oh, this palette has a lot of kickback. Smile a little and then drag it up and blend it with your bronzer. Let's now move back to the eyes. Anyway, I'm taking this purple shade here. It's called Soul, and just going under it. Like so. Now I'm taking the pink. I'm back with the Disney Villains palette, and I am going back into that purple Forest of the Thorns. I'm taking a clean brush and just buffing that out. So I'm back with the Norvina. This is Wild Child pink, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners. Now let's quickly do the mascara for this eye, and then I'm gonna go off camera. I am going to take this Pixie Petra Endless Silky Eyeliner Pen. This is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy one in every shade, by the way, when I go to Target. I haven't made the trip yet. But this is gonna go in my waterline. Let's do the highlighter. So I'm using the Tarteist Pro Glow palette and using Lit from that. Using the Fenty Beauty. Can you guys read the name? Why couldn't Rihanna put the name somewhere here where it's like easy to read? I don't have glasses of perfect vision and I can't read this. It's Ballerina Blackout. But before we do that, we're going to line our lips today. It's like a really pretty pink, by the way. Why is it moving? Oh, I thought it was gonna come out. Now I'm taking Estee Lauder. I'm like obsessed with Estee Lauder. I have Estee Lauder everything. I just need to buy their double wear foundation and I'll be sorted. Pure Envy lip color in Plum Jealousy. Hey guys, so this was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I loved creating this. I can like totally see myself wearing this cut crease purple smoky eye. It's just so pretty. You can wear it with every single outfit. You can actually wear this eye like during the day as well. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!